Trading Basics Explained. The only steps beginners must learn to stop trading randomly and start trading with structure. Imagine you bought a powerful sports car. You sit in the driver's seat, you press random buttons, you hit the gas without knowing where the brake is. Then you crash and conclude, driving is too hard. That is exactly how most beginners approach trading. Not because they are stupid, not because trading is impossible, but because they were never taught how trading actually works. In this video, I'm going to fix that once and for all. No strategies, no indicators, no hype. Just the only steps beginners must learn to stop trading randomly and start trading with structure. The core problem. Here is the hard truth most trading videos never tell you. Beginners don't lose because their strategy is bad. They lose because they don't understand the trading process. Most traders look at charts without knowing what they're looking for, place orders without understanding what those orders actually do, jump between time frames without realizing it changes everything. So trades feel emotional, entries feel rushed, losses feel confusing. The result? Random trading, inconsistent outcomes, and frustration. Today, we solve one specific problem. You will finally understand the exact decision sequence every professional trader follows before entering a trade. The Professional Trading Framework. Every professional trader, no matter what market, follows the same order. Context first, charts, decision second, time frame, execution last, order type. Beginners do this backwards. They start with execution. Professionals start with context. Let's fix that. Step 1. Use charts for context, not prediction. Most beginners think charts are for predicting the future. That is wrong. Charts exist for context, not certainty. When a professional looks at a chart, they ask only 3 questions. Is price generally moving up, down, or sideways? Where has price reacted before? Is price trending or ranging? That's it. Not indicators, not patterns yet, just context. Beginner mistake. Beginners zoom in too far and trade noise. They see every candle as a signal, every move as an opportunity. Professionals zoom out first. Correct use of charts. Charts tell you where not to trade, when to stay patient, whether trading even makes sense. If the chart is unclear, you do nothing. That alone saves accounts. Step 2. Timeframes. Controlling your emotions. Timeframes are not just technical tools. They control stress, patience, risk, expectations. Most beginners don't realize this. Here is the critical truth. Lower timeframes means more emotions. Higher timeframes means more clarity. A trader on a 1-minute chart must react fast. A trader on a 4-hour chart can wait calmly. Correct use of timeframes. Your timeframe determines how long you hold trades, how wide your stop must be, how patient you must stay. If your emotions don't match your timeframe, you will sabotage yourself. Step 3. Order types. Execution, not strategy. Orders do not make you profitable. They only execute decisions you already made. Market orders, limit orders, stop orders. These are tools, not strategies. Beginner mistake. Beginners think, if I place the right order, the trade will work. Wrong. An order only answers one question: how do I enter or exit? Not, why should I trade? Correct use of order types. Professionals decide first where they are wrong, where risk is controlled, where execution makes sense. Only then do they choose an order type. Execution is the last step, never the first. The full trading sequence. Here is the entire professional process in one sentence. Context, time frame, execution. Charts tell you where you are. Timeframes tell you how patient to be. Orders tell you how to execute safely. Miss one step and the trade becomes emotional. Action step. Before your next trade, pause and ask, do I understand the chart context? Does my time frame match my patience? Am I using orders to execute, not to guess? If you cannot answer all three, you do not trade. That is professional discipline. Trading is not about being active, it is about being structured. Once you understand the process, you stop forcing trades, you stop blaming strategies, you start thinking clearly. And clarity is what separates losing traders from consistent ones. Subscribe to Online Trading Hub if you want trading explained with structure, clarity, and professional thinking, so you stop guessing and start trading with intent.